What is up guys, then at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to download QB64 for Windows 11 or how to download QB64 on Windows 10. So first you need to head over to the QB64 website by just typing QB64, and then you need to click on this first official website of QB64. From here, when you scroll a bit down here, you will see the operating system, which is the Windows x64, Windows x86 or 32-bit, or Linux or Mac OS. So we need to download for Windows 10 for now. So I'll just click on Windows x64 and then I'll click on download. And after that, this will guide me to the package. And as you can see, this is the package for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Simply click on save, and then the file will automatically start downloading, which you will see here on the right side in the downloading section. So this is how you can download your QB64 on Windows 10. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.